In today's world, pixel streaming allows you to bring Unreal Engine projects to any device, whether it's for automotive design, AEC, or the metaverse. But there's a catch. Do you prioritize smooth performance, or do you go for jaw-dropping visuals? Let's see what happens when we put these two to the test in a car configurator project. When you stream Unreal Engine projects like this car configurator, the choice is clear: performance or visuals. On the left, no ray tracing. Smooth performance. On the right, ray tracing enabled. Realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. But at what cost? Let's dive into this trade-off. Ray tracing is what takes this car configurator to the next level. Reflections on the car's paint, the way light interacts with the curves, and shadows that look more natural than ever. These are the small details that bring it to life. But how does this impact performance? Without ray tracing, performance stays smooth. You can effortlessly rotate the car, change configurations, and interact with the model in real time. But as soon as ray tracing is enabled, you see the difference. The visuals look incredible, but the frame rate dips, and you may notice slight latency. So, is that trade-off worth it? Let's break it down side by side. On the left, with no ray tracing, the car looks clean, but there's a certain flatness to the lighting and reflections. On the right, with ray tracing, the car comes alive. Reflections on the glossy surface, lifelike shadows, and lighting that makes it feel real. But the question remains: can you sacrifice smooth performance for that stunning level of detail? It's not just about the visuals, it's about how your audience interacts with the project. In a car configurator, clients and users expect smooth, real-time interaction, especially when it's being streamed across devices. Ray tracing looks amazing, but when latency starts to creep in, it affects the user experience. So, which one is best for you? It depends on what matters more: smooth performance or breathtaking visuals. In a virtual showroom where customers expect smooth interaction while customizing their car, smooth performance is key. No stutters, no delays. But if you're showcasing the car's intricate details, ray tracing can elevate the experience. In virtual car reviews, showcasing every reflection and shadow might be worth the performance hit. The question is, how do you prioritize your goals? Now, let's break down the performance with ray tracing enabled versus ray tracing disabled, for a clearer understanding of how these settings impact pixel streaming in a car configurator project. As you can see, when ray tracing is enabled, you get rich visuals, but the frame rate drops to 32 FPS, latency increases to 24 milliseconds, and data usage spikes to over 2,100 megabytes. The visual quality, however, is exceptional with detailed lighting and reflections. Disabling ray tracing, on the other hand, provides a smoother performance with a higher frame rate of 52 FPS, lower latency of just 6 milliseconds, and significantly lower data usage, only 144 megabytes. The visuals may not be as rich, but you get a much faster and more responsive experience. To sum up, ray tracing offers stunning visuals at the cost of lower performance. At Eagle 3D Streaming, we always recommend disabling ray tracing when using our pixel streaming solutions to ensure optimized performance for a smooth user experience. By doing so, you can achieve faster response times and a more efficient workflow without compromising usability. Transform your pixel streaming experience. Reach out for tailored advice. Subscribe to stay updated on how to optimize your pixel streaming setup.